Hello, today we're going to take a look at how to play Kiriko with Dive. So I played a little bit of comp today and I realized that a lot of people seem to be playing Kiriko with Reinhardt right now in the beginning, but I feel like she is way better with a Dive comp, and I'm going to try and illustrate two different ways you can play Kiriko with the Winston and dive in or teleport towards the Winston after he has dove into their backline, and take a look at a few different scenarios. First, I'm going to try and illustrate my points with a quick illustration, and then I've recorded some footage at the end of the video that kind of shows this in a real game. So this right here is supposed to show a simple dive scenario, and we've taken away a few characters to simplify this. Let's first take a look at the first example of how you could use Kiriko with the dive comp. So here the Winston will dive the McCree and Ana on the high ground. Then, once the Winston has landed, Kiriko will teleport to him and assist him with heals and throw her invisibility bomb. And Winston can use his bubble to protect both himself and Kiriko. And maybe they get a pick on Ana, then the Winston can return back, and Kiriko can then afterwards teleport back to him to safety. Now let's take a look at the second example. So let's pretend that the Winston dives in while you're busy healing other characters, and then you realize that the Winston is in deep and he needs support, and then you can kind of decide to do like a Hail Mary and teleport into him while he's low and throw your invisibility bomb on him. But this is kind of a risky move, since then you basically have to hard commit at the Winston and you will be able to kill those characters or survive for long enough that you can get your teleport back again. Because if you go in there and the Winston jumps back after you've healed him for a while, then you're basically dead. So you have to have good communication with the Winston to tell him that you're going in with him and that he needs to stay with you until you have your teleport ready again. Now for the rest of the video, there's some gameplay footage of a team fight where we managed to pull this off pretty well, I think.